Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off incognito mode on the YouTube app. So basically, if you just want YouTube to not keep track of your watch history and just browse anonymously, YouTube is still keeping track of what you're doing, but it's not going to show up in your watch history basically. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, select where it says turn on incognito up at the top. So you've gone incognito, your activity in the session will not be linked to your account. Data use follows Google's privacy policy. When you turn off incognito or after 90 minutes of an activity, your session will end and you will return to the account last used. Your activity may still be visible to your employer, school, or internet service provider. Select got it. If you want to get out of incognito mode, you can just click on the U button in the bottom right and select turn off incognito. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.